Tesla's infotainment system, running on its custom OS, powers key vehicle functions. Navigation is accessed via the map icon or voice command, using Tesla's maps with supercharger locations and real-time traffic data. Bluetooth, found under Settings, Connectivity, supports up to 10 devices for calls and music. Driver profiles. In Settings, driver profiles store personalized settings. Theater mode, available when parked, streams content from apps like Netflix, requiring internet. The system prioritizes simplicity and voice control for safety and ease of use. Recent updates include enhanced AI voice assistance and a revamped UI. For navigation, save favorite locations and plan multi-stop trips to maximize your Tesla infotainment experience. For Bluetooth troubleshooting, forget and repair devices if you experience connection issues. Each driver profile can store up to 10 unique configurations, which are cloud synced for multi-vehicle owners. For theater mode, use a stable internet connection or HDMI inputs for external devices. Be aware that it disables during motion for safety. Stay updated with over-the-air updates for the latest features and fixes. Use voice commands extensively for hands-free operation, reducing driver distraction. Consider opting into data sharing for personalized experiences.